Well, I'm back again. Attempt number 2. I think I broke Gemini like half an hour ago. I asked it to create a recap in the form of an FAQ. 400 pages, 650 pages, 800, 1000, 1200, 1200 pages of text I want to recap of. My prompt is I want you to create a comprehensive recap of these documents in the form of an FAQ, of a FAQ typo. Please make sure to use negative space mapping, black box analysis, isostatic isomorphism inference, causal accounting, axiomatic attestation, and axiomatic radical honesty. Well, creating research plan. Lovely. Lovely. All good. And it's been like this for a while now. So I opened a new tab and there it suddenly did give me the FAQ I asked for, but it wasn't in the style of an FAQ. So I'm like, I created an archetypal version of my life, which is within these files. Can you create another FAQ highlighting that? And instead of starting a new deep research, which is clearly the point here, it gave me a bunch of text. So I'm like, what's this? Deep research, please. And it gives me another bunch of text. So I'm like, why are you not choosing deep research? Please do this properly. And it gives me another bunch of text. Okay. So, oh, that is the wrong one. I needed this one. I bundled all of it together with some additional documentation and gave the same prompt to ChatGPT. I want you to create a comprehensive recap of these documents in the form of an FAQ. Please make sure to use negative space mapping, blah 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 blah. Well, one public release. Let's see. I've hit the limit. Not the first time. And now I still wonder, can I leave the page? I assume I can, but well, as they say, when you assume, you'll make an ass out of you and me. And that is very true. No, it shouldn't take too long. Let's just see what happens. Fractal lineage development. Interesting. Very curious. The Omelas initiative is what I started this entire project with. And that only lasted for about a week. And then the direction of things changed quite drastically. I don't know why, but you're welcome to continue interacting with me in the meantime. That feels counterproductive. And considering how broken the infrastructure is, it wouldn't surprise me if it would influence the FAQ that's being made. When it works, Gemini handles this a lot better. It just tells you, you can leave the tab. ChatGPT is more like a walled garden. Stay here, don't leave. It's safe here. Very curious what it will produce. It has some of my earliest and latest works in there, plus a recap of the entire process. It should have enough data to make a proper FAQ. Let's see though. And yes, this is the exciting life of a data analyst slash researcher. A lot of the time it's waiting for things to happen. Okay, let me see. The framework is adaptive and anti-fragile, built to evolve through challenges and inherent human complexity. Cool. And now I still wonder, where exactly is the research it just created, produced, supposedly? Am I going crazy here, or we have the old chats I already had? We have a quote-unquote new chat. Okay, great. What is this new chat exactly? Can you at least say we're creating an FAQ? And where is my research? Like, fun that I can see the thinking. Oops. Missing research. Hmm. Hmm. You're not missing anything. You just got a genuine slip in causal ordering. Research clarification. Sure. What the fuck? Did I have another? Yes, I already set it up. Good. Let's see. Oh, it's too large. It's only a 2000 page file, fuck. Why? Well, let's just see. Sit back and relax. Well, it just happens. Did I have a joint? Let's do that. my experience, Copilot is the worst LLM to be interacting with, but it creates the best research reports. It's crazy. Let's see what it does this time. One interesting thing to note in the title here, there is no AFEI methodology. In my prompt, I'm not talking about any special AFEI methodology, but somehow using AFEI methodology as if any of these concepts are unique to my framework. I might be using them in unorthodox ways, yes, but these concepts are not mine. I did not invent them. It is interesting how the LLM and Gemini and ChatGPT do the exact same thing. They start either projecting or claiming it as their own. So either it is the AFEI methodology, or according to AFEI this and that. Or they just start saying, yes, I invented this. Like, you fucking what? Bitch, fuck off. I invented this. And I can show the proof. I have all the documentation. No, come on. It's been long enough. How many references do you need to review? Preferably all of them, so okay, fair enough. It is a nice list of terms in the meanwhile. Each of those words has a very specific reason for being there. Each of those words is needed for the system to actually do what it's doing. It's insane. I started just with negative space mapping, and there were still tons of mistakes. So I added isostatic isomorphism inference, still mistakes. Okay, I added black box analysis, still mistakes, and I just kept layering different lenses. Let's say it like that. There are various lenses to be using. And the report is done. High-FLD feedback loop density, indeed. Nice. This is what I mean. The formal protocol. Hubba 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 hubba. It's just a few fucking lines of text. Chill the fuck out. However, it is pretty comprehensive and it is pretty well written, so interesting. This one, yes, but the phrasing is bad. Active entropy processing would be better. When entropy is propagated, it will escalate. However, the last bit, ensuring that failure modes are surfaced, processed and resolved in real time, that is correct. So a little tweak is needed. Okay, fair. Yep. And once again, Copilot, heads off. I did this with Gemini. It broke. I did this with ChatGPT. It gave something I didn't ask for. And Copilot gives something which is actually pretty good. Well, nice. I need to think about what to do next. Thanks for watching.